Today we are juicing our greens, so stay tuned. The ingredients that we will be using today is 1 cucumber, 1 kiwi, 4 green apples and 1 lime. If you haven't been here before, my name is Andreas and me and my family is on a journey to a more sustainable way of life. If you want to participate in our journey, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Today we will use the KitchenAid Slow Juicer. Assembling the Slow Juicer is really simple and it's also very easy to clean. I love to use this machine to make juices and also my ginger shot. I leave a link in the card to that one if you are interested in watching that after this video. Now we are ready to start juicing. We start by cutting the vegetables and the fruit into smaller sizes that will fit the juicer. The cucumber contains C, A and K vitamin and also folic acid. The peel contains important minerals such as potassium, copper and magnesium. I don't peel the apples, there are a lot of nutrients there, but I do remove the seeds. The apple contains a lot of flavonoids, potassium and vitamin C. Flavonoids are antioxidants. Potassium is good for your blood pressure, the function of your kidneys and your nerve system. Vitamin C is good for your immune system and protects your cell against oxidative stress. It also helps the body to be able to take up other nutrients. The kiwi contains a lot of vitamins: A, B1, B2, B3, B6, C, D, E and K, and also a lot of minerals such as phosphorus, iodine, iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, sodium, selenium and zinc. The last thing to prepare is the lime. I peel it, but I don't remove the seeds from it. Lime is just as kiwi, full of vitamins and minerals and also helps with keeping the color of the juice if you drink it a couple days later. We cut the last apple and are getting ready to juice. The slow juicer first cuts the vegetable and fruits into slices and then they are slowly squeezed so that the juice is separated from the pulp. I really love the color and taste of this juice. It's not very sweet, but it got a lot of taste of cucumber and kiwi. We remove some of the foam and just give it a stir. Then we pour it into a bottle. Easy as that. This is a really tasty and healthy use, and a good way if you want to get started in using vegetables. That's it for this episode. I'll talk to you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have an amazing week.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.